Hi, I'm Miss Allen, and I'm going to show you the first 5 notes you're going to learn when you start playing the flute. Now go get your flute and let's play together. Our first note is F, and it's on the top line of the treble clef staff. We're going to use the long key on the back for our thumb. We're going to put down our pointer fingers on each hand, and then our middle and ring fingers on our left hand. And we're going to have our pinky on our right hand. This is F, the top line of the treble clef. The next note we're going to play is E flat. E flat is on the top space of the treble clef. We're going to start again with our thumb on the back long key. We're going to actually put every other finger down, but our pointer finger on our left hand. Here is E flat. Our next note we're going to play is D. D is on the 4th line of the treble clef. Here is D. It's really great to play these notes with a tuner to make sure that your notes are in tune. The next note we're going to learn is C. C is on the 3rd space of the treble clef staff, and it is fingered with only our pointer finger on our left hand and our pinky on our right. This is where our thumb and our left crook of our hand holds the flute. The last note we're going to learn is B flat. B flat is on the 3rd line of the treble clef staff. We're going to finger it with our pointer fingers down, our pinky, and our long thumb on the back. Congratulations, you've learned the first 5 notes. Now go practice them and make them the best notes you've ever played. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.